Electrolysis, the concept called electrolysis. Here, before seeing to what is electrolysis, we are going to see the parts. Here, the container is called electrolytic cell. It contains metallic salt solution called electrolyte. Here, two metal rods are called electrodes and connected by means of battery. The metal rods connected to the source called battery. Here the positive plate called anode and the negative plate called cathode. The anode and cathodes are called electrode for the passage of electric current. Now we are passing electric current through this rod into the solution, metallic salt solution. Because of the electric current and heat effect, here the metallic salt solution dissociated into copper 2 plus ion and SO4 2 minus ion. Here the conversion of salt into its ion is called electrolytic dissociation. Here the formed ions, the positive ion moving to negative plate and the negative ion moving to positive plate. The positive ions are called cation moving to cathode. Negative ions are called anion moving to anode. The movement of oppositely charged ions to the respective rods makes the electric current to pass through in the solution, so called electrolysis. Because of the passage of electric current, the formed ion moving to the oppositely charged rods makes the electric current pass through in the solution to maintain the electric current in the solution called electrolysis. The concept of electrolysis used in electroplating and electrolytic refining, that is electrolytic purification. Next one is what is electroplating. The concept of electrolysis used in electroplating. Here, what is electroplating is coating up of metal, desired metal over the other metal is called electroplating. The coating up of desired metal over the other metal is called electroplating. Usually, nickel, chromium, tin, silver, gold, copper are coated with, preferably coated with other metals. Here the metal is to be coated is taken as a negative plate, and here the pure metal is to be coated with the used for coating is taken as a positive plate. Here the pure metal rod taken as a anode, and here the article is to be coated is taken as a cathode. Here the respective metallic salt solution related to that pure metallic salt solution is taken as a electrolyte. For example, if you are going to coat gold means the gold chloride, acidified gold chloride mixed with acid, gold chloride is taken as a electrolyte, metallic salt solution. By means of a battery from the source, if electric current passed means here the ions are formed in the solution. Here the positive ions formed by displacement, and here moving to positive ion moving to the negative plate and get coated. So in negative plate the article is coated with the metal ions, thereby the electroplating takes place and the negative ion moving to positive plate. So by using the concept of electrolysis, here the positive metal ion coated with the other metal, so called electroplating. Commercially, electroplating used for commercial purpose for articles and jewelry, and industrial purpose to prevent rusting, electroplating is used. Next one is the concept of electrolysis used in electrolytic refining or electrolytic purification, that is purification of metal from its ore, the separation of metal from other metals. So it is used in the extraction, separation of metals. Here the impure metal is taken as a anode, positive rod, pure metal taken as a cathode, the corresponding metallic salt solution taken as a electrolyte. So by passing electric current through a solution by using battery, what happens is at particular temperature respective to the melting point of that metal, the metal starts melting and the formed ions, positive ion, the metal ion moving to the negative plate and starts depositing in the pure rod, and negative ion moving to the positive plate. Thereby from this impure rod, the correct metal ion gets melts and deposited in the negative plate. Thereby the metal separated from the other metal or other from impurities. If any impurities are formed other than this metal, can be deposited at the bottom. So this method of separating metals by using the concept of electrolysis is called electrolytic refining or electrolytic purification, one of the uses of the electrolysis concept.